Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how I did those beautiful knotless braids using Braid1 hair. They have also sent me their gel, and this gel was perfect to create those braids. This is how the hair looks like. You get 3 bundles in one pack of hair. We're using 26 inches when you fold it. When you don't fold it, it's 52. The hair is super long. This hair is perfect for beginners. As you can see, the texture, it's not slippery and the ends are not too thin, so you don't have to do extra work to make the ends look right. The texture of it, once you grip in it to braid, it makes it very easy to just braid it all the way down. It doesn't slip and it doesn't tangle either. And this is how some of the hair look like when you take it off the packaging. See the top, from the top till the bottom. At the bottom, it's thick all over. You get a little bit of thin hair just to create the thin end at the end, but it's not exaggerating where you have to fix it. It's perfect from the top till the bottom. All you have to do is just take the amount of hair you want to braid and then start braiding. And of course, to do the knotless braid, I'll use 3 different strands. Start braiding the person's hair first, then use the first strand of hair, braid it 2 times, and add another strand till I'm done with all 3. And you'll see how slick it is to just braid this hair down. It does not tangle when you're doing that process. And this is how natural the roots look like, and this is how the hair braiding blends with her hair, and see how slick it is. I make sure I make those braids smooth and see those ends are not too thin, and that's what I like about it. I repeat the same process over and over. One thing I notice about this hair is it's not harsh on my fingers. It doesn't create that burning sensation when you're braiding with it. It does not do that. Right here I'm on my last braid, and as you can see, the other braids, they do not have any flyaways. That's another thing about this hair. Once you look at it, it's super full on top till you reach the bottom. They do not have shorter strands in between to make it look cheap. It's very sleek and smooth. Once you attach all those 3 strands that you need to attach to get the knotless look, all you do is just braid it down. You don't have to worry about the ends. Once you read the ends, you just braid it all the way down. As long as you make sure from the beginning that they were the same length, you don't have to worry about one side being thinner than the other side. As far as dipping this hair, that's another good thing about this hair. It does not hold the hot water. Once you dip it, the water comes right out of it, and you don't have to worry about your clothes being damp once you're leaving. As you can see right now, I'm dipping the hair, and then I'll use the towel to just dry it, and there was not a lot of water left on that hair, so the hair does not hold the hot water. It comes right out of it, and it's very smooth once you do it. Right here, I'm just trying to finish drying it so she won't have to be wet. And notice the towel barely have any water in it. That's one thing about this hair. Once you dip it, the water comes right. The hot water does the job. It smooths it out, but the person at the back, your clothes won't be damp when you leave. And this is how slick it look. I didn't have to use any pair of scissors to clean out any flyaways. The hair is super smooth, easy to install, and quick too. You don't have to worry about tangling, and it won't burn your finger while you braiding it. The hair is from Braid1. It's 26 inches. Once you fold it, it depends on your height. That hair can reach your waist. Super long and very sleek and smooth. And that would be it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll make sure I link the hair in the description box. You can style it however you want, especially that I did knotless braids, so you can pull it up and not be in pain. That's one thing about knotless braid that I like. And we went for a smooth look, so I braid the hair a specific way to have that smooth look. Once again, the hair is from Braid1. They sent a lot of packs, but I was able to use just 2 of them to create this look. Each pack has 3 bundles in it. The hair is 26 inches. It can reach your lower back. It depends on how tall you are. This person that I did the hair on, she's 5'8", so the hair is super long. You don't have to worry about doing any extra stretching to get the perfect length. If it's 26, you do get 26 out of it. And another thing too, that hair is super light. Knotless braid does give you option to wear less hair and make the hair light, but this hair itself, it's light on its own. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on my next one.